In this video, I'm going to show you how to record audio in Flixier. To begin, open Flixier and access any existing project or create a new one. Once you are inside the editor, locate the Import or Record option on the upper left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on this will open additional options, where you need to select Records and then choose Record Your Voice to start setting up your audio recording. At this point, Flixier will request permission to access your microphone. You need to allow this permission so the platform can record your voice. If the permission prompt does not appear, or if your microphone access was previously blocked, you can manually enable it through your browser settings. This is especially relevant for users on Google Chrome, where microphone permissions can be adjusted directly from the address bar. Once microphone access is enabled, click on the record icon to begin recording your voice. While recording, Flixier gives you the option to minimize the recording window by clicking the Minify icon in the upper right-hand corner of the recording panel. This allows you to view and play your video timeline while recording audio, which is helpful for syncing voiceovers with visuals. When you are finished recording, click on the Stop icon to end the session, and your recorded audio will appear immediately in the recording panel. From here, you have several options. You can download the audio directly to your device by clicking on the three-dot menu and selecting Download. If you want to record the audio again, you can reset the recording and start over. To use the recording inside your project, click on the Save icon and then select Import All. The audio will then appear in your Media section, where you can drag and drop it into the timeline and adjust its placement, timing, or volume as needed. And this is how you can record audio in Flixier.